Hi beauties, welcome back. How are you? I'm gonna dive right in. Today we are totally blaming this video on that girl ShaeXo because she made me buy this BAROQUE Colourpop palette. I had no intentions on buying this palette until I saw her eye swatch video on it, and it was totally gorgeous. I fell in love with the colors and the way she just expressed her happiness over the gorgeousness and stunningness, if those are even words, over the palette. I was just like, okay, she's totally convinced me, totally influenced me on buying this palette. So today's tutorial, we're totally blaming it on that girl Shae. I love her. She's one of my favorite influencers that I watch. I really enjoy and appreciate her eyeshadow swatch videos. If it wasn't for those types of videos, I would have never been influenced in buying this palette. And when I tell you throughout my tutorial how much I fell in love with this palette, you guys, and when you see the look, oh my goodness, it is just beyond ridiculous. It is this look. I show it without my glasses. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. We're totally blaming it on that girl ShaeXo. I figured I'd keep going on with these videos because you guys really seem to enjoy it. And my first one, the one that I blame it on Jaclyn Hill, on influencing me to buy Melinda Maria jewelry. I got a really good response from that video. So I was just like, you know what? You guys seem to enjoy it, so we're gonna do the next one and blame it on that girl ShaeXo. I will leave her swatch video for this palette linked down below so you guys can catch it if you haven't seen it. But this is definitely a palette that shocked me completely, and I'm just like, wow, oh my gosh, I'm really happy that she influenced me to buy this palette. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. I'm really excited to play with the BAROQUE. I have no idea how you pronounce this thing, but that girl Shae, I freaking love watching her. Her eyeshadow swatch videos are just so helpful, so amazing. And she definitely was the one to influence me on buying this one. I had no intentions on buying this one. When I saw her video for the eye swatches, I was like, wow, it is very different. It is very unique. It is not your like typical just smoky monochromatic type of palette. They all have different undertones. It's like a grayish blue, purple blue. This bottom one right here, Stunner. It is just absolutely gorgeous. So we're just gonna go in. I'm gonna do a quick tutorial for you, and then yeah, maybe talk about a little bit about Shae and why I love her. So before I get started on the eyeshadow, I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Holy Grail Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer, and I'm only gonna do one eye on camera with you guys. I'm probably gonna use like 3 colors, do my favorite look that I always like to do, and then do everything else off of camera, and then come back with the finished look for you guys. So I'm gonna do this eye, and then I have my brushes here. I have some extra ones in my bag. Literally this bag is like full of brand new brushes that I haven't used, you guys. Like look, and they're still in the packaging. So we're gonna use some of those because my main brushes are dirty and I need to clean a lot of them. I love me my freaking eyeshadow primer. This Smashbox one, you guys, I've been using it for years. I always go back to it when I try other ones, and it's never failed me. No matter what eyeshadow formula I use, it is just always there for me. It never creases, never budges. It never just like lets my oils come through because I have sweaty eyelids. So like this just keeps it all at bay. Perfect, beautiful, great, let's go. I'm gonna go in really quick because I think I'm probably only gonna use like 3 colors because I've seen all of them on Shae and they all freaking look beautiful. I think it's either they pronounce it BB or Bebe. I'm gonna go in with that color first, and then I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I'm gonna smoke out the edge, put on some little shimmer, and then I might use this for a winged liner and just glam it the hell up. These NYX Glitter Goals liquid liners are so good, you guys. I usually do those when I really just want to amp up my look with some glitter. To me, safe glitter because it dries down, and when you take it off, it just comes off like very easy, automatically. It doesn't get everywhere. It just comes off in one swipe and you're good to go. So I'm going to go in with that color that I mentioned, and I'm just going to throw that all over my eye really quick. Ooh, already Look at the saturation of that color. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That girl Shae is just not, wow, she wasn't joking. Wow, this is just lots of pigment, beautiful color. I haven't done eyeshadow in a little bit, just maybe like here and there. The thing I like about just the aesthetic of this palette is just it has so many different undertones of blue, grays, and purples, and they all look uniquely different on the eye, and it's just, oh my gosh, it's just yumminess, you guys. I'm really kind of glad that she influenced me on getting this one. This is part of the that like fall winter collection that came out back in October and November. When I bought the Ornate palette, is part of that collection. I forgot what that collection was called. I had literally no intentions on buying this palette, just the Ornate one. If I don't mention the brushes, I'm sorry. This is by NYX number 16, one of my favorite brushes. And I'm just gonna go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill, the JH30 really quick. Shae, oh my gosh, she's been doing it. She's been doing YouTube for so long. What really breaks my heart is that I just love her reactions, and just people just sometimes don't take her reactions well. I just don't understand. She's just, I guess she's just my type of person. Like she's just honest. She's so cute. She is just, her reactions kill me because they're genuinely just coming from the heart, and she just like is such a diehard fan over makeup that I really, really love that about her. And her eye swatch videos, oh my gosh, I can't. Like, no one can do them like her. Sometimes I be wanting to do eye swatches for you guys, and I'm just like, that's like her thing. I do not want to do that. She does it so well, but it kills me because she has epilepsy, and she gets really bad like seizures and stuff like that, and I'm just like, oh my gosh. Sometimes there's weeks where she doesn't upload, and usually now, like the people who have been following her for a long time, when she doesn't upload in a while, we kind of already know that she might have just had a seizure, and it's just not good. But her and her husband are trying to have a baby, and I'm just, oh, my heart goes out to her, because I can only imagine just like how frustrating that situation is. Breaks my heart for her. But yeah, just her eyeshadow swatches and everything that she does on her channel, I love her. I really, really do. I am a fan, you guys, a fan. And she totally influenced me to buy this palette because I was not interested in it. I'm gonna go in this, it's a Morphe brush. I got this like in that 4-pack in my BoxyCharm one time, and I'm gonna go in with that gorgeous sort of like really dark, grungy, beautiful blue, purple, gray type. Like all three of them just are in there, like you can tell. It's just gorgeous. It's called Stunner, and I'm just gonna smoke that out on the outside part of my eye. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is just stunning. I can't. Oh my goodness. Just want to darken the side and just give it some smokiness and some depth on my outer V. That is just beautiful. I'm not caring too much about like how clear it is like on my water top line, because I'm gonna use that glitter liner and it's gonna cover all of that. So I'm trying to think of what was one of my favorite besides this video that she did. She has so many good videos, so I'm just going like back and forth and smoking it out. Just want to blend out this part right here. Get it all in there. Oh my goodness, you guys, these colors together, like, you may not see the difference on camera, but you can definitely see the difference. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I can't. This little corner right here, I always have issues no matter what it is. Sometimes I just have issues in this corner blending. And it's my eye, you guys. It is nothing else, because I have trouble sometimes in this corner. There we go. And then even the packaging, you guys, on this too with the blue, like the Ornate one is obviously like that burgundy grungy look. This is grungy too, but it's like a blue grungy, obviously, to go with the colors. It is just gorgeous, you guys. I love this. Do you guys have like a pet peeve of mine when it comes to palettes? Is like, you know, the little magnets that close them on the bottom here, like the shadows get stuck to them, and I'm just like, ah, and then it gets all messy and nasty. Yeah, I hate that. I can't resist this like gorgeous yummy color, but this color in the middle, Noble, oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna put that all over my inner part and just bring it out. And depending how that looks on my eye, I might not use the glitter. It just depends how I'm feeling. So I'm gonna use my finger. Yeah, this is a very unique color with a very, very unique undertone. Wow, I was not expecting that. It almost has like a very light, it's almost, okay, how do I explain it to where you can picture it? You know, mermaid scales or like fish scales? It has an undertone of that. It looks so unique in the pan, but then like when it's on the finger, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like this scaly undertone part. It is just, wow. It's very unique. Let's see how it grabs onto my eye. Oh my goodness. And then that blue eye. Okay, I'm in love. Oh my goodness. Shay, thank you for influencing me on buying this palette, because this shit is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And then it's even showing up sort of like greenish. Wow. Okay, I really like that. Like, I just want that all over my lid now, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 wow. I love that, you guys. I might just leave it this way and then just smoke out the bottom. You guys, I am in love with this color. Oh my gosh, I think I found my two favorite colors. I found a favorite shimmer color and a favorite matte color. Do you not see that? Look. Oh. Thank you, Shay. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna stop right there. I don't even think I'm gonna use the NYX glitter, because this color just has my heart right now. This is insanity. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and then I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look and I am utterly in love with this palette, you guys. Oh my goodness, I can't. When I was really like blending them out, just they blend out so beautifully. I can't. I'm literally like, I'm gonna say it again, I'm so glad that she convinced me to buy this palette. Oh my god. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit and then I'm just gonna finish off with a little bit of highlight with you guys, blush and lipstick, and then that's gonna be it. Let me zoom you out and we are gonna finish this gorgeous look that I am so freaking in love with. It is ridiculous. I'm still like, my mom saw it and then she saw like this shit, like I showed her out in the sun. You guys, that color Noble that I put on my inner like eyelid part, the shift in the sun, it is just stunning. I can't. Oh my goodness. And it's got like green flecks in it. It is just so unique. I can't, you guys. It's so good. If you don't have this palette and you don't have anything like this palette, you need to get it, because the pigmentation is there. There's I had hardly any fallouts. The colors build together just lovely in a way where it doesn't get muddy and crappy. It just gives you this gorgeous, flawless, like grungy, smoky, blue grayish, like I can't, just yumminess. I can't. I'm just so in love with it. So on the inner corner part, I'm going to use this matte color called Bougie. So I'm going to put that in just to lighten up my inner corner. If it doesn't work out the way I want it to work out, I'm going to, oh yeah, that's okay. That's fine. I was like, if it didn't work out the way I wanted it to work out, I was just going to put in one of the other shimmers in. So, but this is fine. Just opens up the eye and just, oh my good, even that. You guys, I can't. The only thing I don't like is that it is powdery when you put your brush in, but it doesn't give you all that fallout on your face. I always tap my brushes just to get the excess off of it. And I think already I'm gonna have to buy a backup, because this the eyeshadow stunner, it comes up a lot and you can probably hit pan on that color very, very quickly. So that's what I'm gonna assume, because I already have like a really big dent in there. For some reason on my eyes, I don't know why, but One of my eyes always tends to be like with the inner corner part when I highlight. One is always brighter than the other one. And then I'm gonna go in with the Palatial from the Ornate bundle. So I'm gonna go in with this one because you know I love me some gorgeous peachy cheeks. And then I'm just gonna put this on my face, get it in there. I love that. It's such a gorgeous color. Oh my goodness. And then I'm gonna finish off, well, with the lip. I'm gonna use a lip liner. Let's just do lips and then I'll finish off with some highlight on my face because I'm gonna use another eyeshadow. I'm really trying to use this palette in a way to where I could do eyes, inner corner, and highlight with it, you know, to just get the most use out of it in a way that is realistic. I'm gonna use the Morphe lip liner Guide Me. It's one of my favorites. It matches a lot of my lipsticks. It's in between nude, that's a word because I was gonna say nude and mauve. Nude, hello, just made a new word. But yeah, it's in between nude and mauve. And Morphe lip liners are literally my favorite lip liners, you guys. If I haven't mentioned that before, $3, $4. I think they're $4. Sometimes they put them down to $3. I'm gonna go in with my Melt Liquid Lipstick in Rebound. I would love to freaking buy more, but I am on a serious tight budget right now, so I can't. Oh, I just love this. This was one of my products that shocked the crap out of me in 2020. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above for you so you can catch it. But it's a video that I do once a year at the end of the year with things that have, you know, products. It could be anything, whether it's skincare, snacks, body care, makeup, whatever, and anything that just like really has stuck with me and shocked me for the worst or the best way possible. I talk about it at a video at the end of the year. But you guys, okay, one more thing. I'm just like, I can't with this look right now. I'm like, I freaking love it. Okay, one more thing. I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place highlighting brush. I want to use Noble, which is the one that I put on my inner part of the eyes, but I feel like that might be a little too much, so I'm gonna go in with Ritzy, which is this one right here, and I'm just gonna highlight my face. Very little at a time because I don't know how this is gonna work, but I love me some highlight that's just unique and different. Yeah, I like that. I absolutely love that. This whole palette, you guys, is just yummy. Oh my goodness, what a gem to find. Thank you, Shay. Alright, you guys, I would usually finish off with Morphe setting spray, but I'm doing this for the sole purpose of this video. I'm not going anywhere today. I'm literally, it's a film day for me. So I'm probably gonna film like 4 videos today, so you're gonna see this look in all of them. I'm sorry, but I need to get it done for y'all. This is the final look. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. It is just, yeah, it is a vibe. I'm loving this. Oh, I can't. You guys, if you do not have this palette, you need to pick it up because it is gorgeous. Literally, if you don't have this palette, you need to add it to your collection. Thank you, Shay, for influencing me on buying this palette. But yeah, this is totally on Shay's fault. She made me buy this. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys are staying healthy and staying safe out there. Please be kind to one another. And I love you, and I will see you in a couple of days. Bye.